In this lesson, we will find the derivative of f of x equals open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis over square root of x. We will do it step by step with small, clear moves and color highlights to make every idea pop. Here is the problem. We will first rewrite the function into simple powers of x. Then we will apply the power rule term by term. Finally, we will simplify the answer into a clean form. Step 1. Rewrite with exponents. We replace square root of x by x to the 1/2. Next, split the fraction into two separate terms. Now use exponent rules to simplify each term. The first is x to the 1 minus 1/2, and the second is x to the negative 1/2. So the function becomes x to the 1/2 plus x to the negative 1/2. Step 2. Differentiate term by term. We use the power rule. The derivative of x to the n is n times x to the n minus 1. Now differentiate each term. The derivative of x to the 1/2 is 1/2 times x to the negative 1/2. The derivative of x to the negative 1/2 is negative 1/2 times x to the negative 3/2. Combine them to get f prime of x equals 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus 1/2 x to the negative 3/2. Step 3. Simplify to positive exponents and then to radicals. First, factor out 1/2. Then rewrite with positive exponents by moving powers to the denominator. Find a common denominator of x to the 3/2. Multiply the first fraction by x over x. Combine the fractions. Now write x to the 3/2 as x times square root of x for a clean radical form. A quick note about the domain. Since the original function has a square root of x in the denominator, this work is valid for x greater than 0. Final result. The derivative is f prime of x equals open parenthesis x minus 1 close parenthesis over 2x times square root of x. Great job! Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MuyVerse Maths.